This is so beautiful, guys. Wow. All handmade. And of course, black homes.
You like some fruit sweets? Got sweets for you?
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is, keep calm and make them go on. Oh, this is so cute. Woman, no cry. Woman, no cry.
I like this one.
You like that one?
Yeah. I like this one. I can do it.
Okay. Just having fun.
And they're all handmade. That's the summer collection, and this is the winter collection. They're only 90p.
Oh, this is the summer collection
Yeah.
and winter collection.
Yeah.
How much are these?
These sample pots are 90p, but you can get the full bars for £2 to £3.
It's actually smells so nice.
Yeah. And then you can also get a wax burner, and we also sell linen spray, so if you want your bedroom to
Do you
smell
accept,
nice.
do you accept cards?
Yeah, we accept cards.
Thanks.
Package.
Oh, sorry.
So come on, let's give that round of applause. We have Gabby and
Beautiful.
and Patience.
Where are you looking? Is it a white sock? Yeah, there's two things to probably so maybe which one is. I really want one of these earrings.
Oh my god, it's actually gorgeous. How much are the earrings? This one's all of it. Okay, thank you. £7. Which one should I go for? Wow, guys, this is actually good school. I'm looking for something that will go with all my outfits. What should I go for this? £7 as well. I know, right? You don't even know which one to choose. Yeah. I'm going to get one. Oh, I think I found the one I want. I think I found the one I want. And then this one is beautiful as well. They are all so lovely. I'm just gonna pick one because I don't know which one to go for. I'm getting this. Can I have this?
Sure. Just that?
Yeah.
Two for 15.
No, one is alright.
Okay.
I'm not really my earring has got an edge wrap. I think I'm just going to get them.
How much are these head wraps? £10 for each, and if you want the earrings.
Just like that. Patronize black-owned business, guys, because you know we need to support each other. Ah, that's the edge wrap.
You know your bag, what is it called?
She's got headbands as well. Wow. Oh my god. These things are beautiful, you know. And this is actually very lovely.
So now don't touch.
I think this one goes with my earring.
It does.
How much is
You may as
this?
well. This is £12. I'll do a discount. Don't worry. Bless you. Thank you very much.
She's also on Instagram. Please, guys, let's patronize black-owned business. You know, just support ours. Let's support our own. It is really our own. So, guys, do you guys remember that African-owned business fun fair in Croydon Mall where I got this? So I'm wearing the earring and the head wrap, and it's so nice for Black History Month, right?
Yeah.
So for the students, it's £206 for 36 months. So that covers it for 3 years.
How much?
£206.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many is though? And why you crying? Ouch! Give me that. That's so rude. No. This is for mommy. Huh? Ayan. What are you eating? What are you eating? Huh? Ayan. Say hello. Why are you crying? No, tell your daddy, Jai. So we are in IKEA and we came to return some things that we bought. Nothing much. Some people are IKEA experts. They know where to go for a certain thing. Like they already know where that thing is, and that is where they go straight away. Unlike me, when I come into IKEA, I need to kind of like stroll around before I get to where I'm going. Okay, babe, check out our bed sheets, to be honest, because guys, do you buy bed sheets in IKEA? Because I've tried all the bed sheets. I've tried M&S bed sheets and it was rubbish. I've tried Primark's, of course it was rubbish. I've tried I think I got a bed sheet from TK Maxx as well, and I didn't like it as well. I have actually got one from IKEA as well, but it was also rubbish. I don't know, where do you guys get your bed sheets? That's beautiful. Please, if you have nice bed sheets, can you just leave it in the comment section and tell me where you get lovely bed sheets, please? Hello, you want to play? Tell your daddy to buy for you. You cannot take that one, Papa. Bye. Do you like it?